Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, yesterday we were at the Dodgers game against Milwaukee Brewer. Yesterday was April 13, 2019. Unfortunately, Dodger lost 4-1. But I'm glad Cody Bellinger got the home run, which is only get us one run against the Brewers. So anyway, I'm just trying to get this unboxed for you guys. I got four of this bobblehead. This is Cody Bellinger, number 35, Los Angeles Dodgers. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Well, some of the Dodgers parking is keep on going up. Right now, if you're at the general parking, it went up to $25 right now. So before we could purchase online, it was only like 15 bucks. So somehow it become $17 now. And then this is made in China. So let's go ahead and unbox one of these real quick so you guys can check them out. And then this is our ticket. Reserve level 35 RS R22. So for those who doesn't know about Cody Bellinger, that it was a lot of money. Previously, I saw one of this bobblehead. I think it was like 60 something bucks. So you got the number 35 on the back of the helmet. And then on the top, at the front of the head, you got the LA. So there is a face. Pretty detailed. Then bubble. I got a finger. In this finger. Point at it. You got a home run. Dodger on the front of the jersey, number 35. Got the LA on the sleeve. It looks like is that a glove? You can see his cleats. And then on the back it says 2019 collection edition, made in China. So anyway, just to show you guys this unboxing real quick. And and I'll include a clip of the video that we were there. But unfortunately, we didn't stay the whole game because we had another chocolate factory, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on the Pantages theater. So we end up had to leave about around 7 something. So and then this is the playbook that came with it. Okay. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace. Alright, Cody Bellinger is up at bat. So let's get ready to see if he could hit a homer today or something right now. This is the second bottom of the first inning. Justin Turner just got on base. One ball, one strike. Let's go Dodgers! Whoa! Yeah! This is on base.
Second base, the number 14, Kike Hernandez.
Dodgers!
Let's go
Dodgers! Oh, look at her.
Let's go Dodgers!
Helicopter right there. Come on, Kiki. Kiki, make something happen. 2-0. Oh, come on, no. Oh, yeah. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna watch another show. The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, right? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yeah. Look at the
Dropped by Dunkin' Donuts. What is this guy ordering? Huh? Huh? Ooh, Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Radio, it's time to play Name That Latte. All right, go ahead. Take a sip of this. Good. Oh, this is good. Wait, is that blueberry crisp? The blueberry crisp latte. Bing, bing, bing. Can I try that one? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Caramel.
They got
Yes, and mocha, mocha.
LOVE.
From the 99-cent store.